Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So now in our previous session we have successfully shown this products page. Now it's time for us to see the product detail page also. Product detail page means, for example, let's say that here in our home page I want to add below the product description. So one div, I will try to keep it, and class is equal to my2. I can have it here. In this one I am creating an anchor link, view details. So this is the thing I want to show, and here we can have a class btn-primary. So this is the button I want to show. Now if I try to see here, so we are able to see this button, and let's try to make it as text-center. Now we'll be having somewhat fine. Yeah. Now if I click on this view details, I want to see this particular product details. Now right now the product which we are trying to save doesn't have any ID. Normally how it should be, the product detail page, it should be something like /product/details/ that unique ID you should have. So now in order to maintain that unique ID, so what we can do is, let's try to save that one details before. So product/details, and we need to send the ID of this one. So here we don't have an ID, so let's try to add the ID, and we'll try to add it there also. Here we'll be having like this, that's it. So here we are trying to send product/details/product ID. Right now in our product.json file, so we don't have any ID. Let's try to remove these all the things. Okay, and if we go to our home page, or sorry, admin product controller, this is our add product page, right? So whenever you are trying to send an ID, you can send an ID along with it one. So I am taking a unique one, that is nothing but date.now. Okay, so I am taking date.now. That's it. So normally in the database you will be getting already the primary key for that one. So here I am saving ID date.now. Now let's try to save another product here. If I refresh this page, we don't have any products, fine. And here I am copying this one. So this is our sample product, and here I will be pasting image 12, and here I will be having some description. Click here. So now if I click on this view details, we should be able to have the unique ID. Now if I go into this JSON, so now we are able to save perfectly the ID of this one. So it's perfect, ID is getting saved. In the same scenario, let's try to add another product also. Add product. Here I am trying to add sample product 2, and the image I will be saving this one. So here I can add, and price is 15, and the description is some description. So we are having two products. Now when I click on this view details, it is moving back to product/details/ with the product ID, and here it is showing page not found. Yes, correct. So we don't have any route for this one, so page not found it is showing. So now we need to design this product/details. For designing this routing, so what we can do here, let's close all these things. So let's go to the routes, and I am trying to add it in here only, in the home.js only. So here router.get. So whenever the user comes, product/details/, so that ID is a dynamic one. So that ID is not a static one, it's a dynamic one. So in order to add that, in order to get those dynamic ID, so what we will be trying to do is in Node.js, so we will be using :ID. So you can also keep something like product ID. The name is your wish, whatever the name you want, you can give it. So like this one, anything comes with product/details/any ID, so it will try to catch, it will try to go into this routing. Now here I want to write something like get product detail page. So where we need to design, so here we need to design in the home controller. So in the controllers, so I am trying to write it here only in the home controller. So here exports dot get product detail page is equal to, so you will be getting the product ID, request and the response. So here this is the product detail page. Now let's try to take this one, and here in our home page, so here I will be adding this one, product detail page. That's it. So we have designed our routing also. If you go into this home controller, so now how can we get the dynamic one? So here we got this product detail page and this product ID. How we can catch this product ID? So how we can catch is, here we will be having the product ID, so we can catch it using request dot params. You will be having a request dot params, and let's try to console that request dot params. You will try to understand it. Request dot params. Now if you go to the console here, let's go into this one and I will refresh this page. Now if you see the output, so we are not seeing any output, right? So let's try to restart the server again. Let's try to restart the server again. Yeah, server is started. Let's go into this one, home, and if I click on the view details, now we are able to get this page, and here it is not going to this one. Why? So home, product slash details slash product ID, get product details page, and here we went into this get product detail page, and here we are having, so everything is fine. If you go into this one, product slash details slash, so the ID is there, unique ID is there. So now we are going into this one. Where is this one? Home controller, sorry, home.js, router.get product slash details slash product ID, get product details page. Yes, it's correct, home controller. And here we are trying to get the request and response. So here we need to console the response. So why it is not consoling? Let's try to see it once again. Refresh it. If I try to see it here, let's try to see once again. I will keep response dot redirect. I want to move it to the home page. So whether it is coming or not, let's understand it. Here if I try to refresh this page, okay, it's not coming up to here route. So that means the routing itself is wrong. Okay, here this is the problem. Okay, now if I remove this page, now if I try to save this one, now we are getting some output. If I try to go here, see, we are getting the request.params as a console, that product ID. So now we can get the product ID by using dot product ID. Like this we can get it. So now if I try to print this product ID, how we can get this one? Let's try to see. So here if I try to refresh this page again, if you go into this one, and here we are able to get this product ID. See, now what we need to do? So we need to pass this product ID in the model. So where is our model? So here in the product.js. So here you need to use exports dot get product by ID is equal to, so here you will be getting the product ID, and you need to pass this product ID, and here you need to get all the products and you need to filter the product ID. So here I can use get products from file, and you will be getting all the products, and in these products what you can do, let's find the product is equal to products dot find p. You will be getting each p, so p dot id. So this one is will be in the integer, so number. So you can have like this product id, and this is the product, you got it. Now you got the product here. Let's try to console the product whether we are able to get it or not. Product, and here we need to call this one. So where we need to call here, so get products from file, not get products from file, get product details. Hey, not this one. So here what is the name I have written? Get product by id. Yeah, so get product by id, and in this one we need to pass the product id. That's it. Let's try to see this one. So here if I try to refresh this page, if you go to the console and if you see here I am able to get the single product details. This is the product details with this id. So that means we are successfully able to get this product details. Now what we need to do? So after getting the product details, so we need to execute. So here we need to send the, after getting this product details, so that means here this product details. So this one is an asynchronous thing. So you need to have a callback here, and this callback what it will try to do is callback of the product. It will send the product to this one. Now by getting this product, what I can do is, here we got the product, and we can do this one, views data is equal to, so we got the product as, sorry, we got the product and also page title. Let's try to design the page title. So that is nothing but product dot title. Now here we can do the rest dot render of, So product detail, I can add it, product details, and we send the views data here to the template. That's it. So right now we don't have any view file. Let's try to refresh this page so that we can able to see it or not. So here we are not able to see the product details. So everything is correct. Now let's design in the views page. I am creating a new file that is nothing but products details.ejs. Now in this one, let's go to the home page and I will copy this one all things and I will try to paste it here. Now I will remove this entire code whichever is present inside this one. So up to here I am removing, and here I am having container, and in this one I can have row call mod 6, and here I can say offset -md-3, and in this one here we can write h3 or something like this, and here we can write product dot title. Enough. We can have here one image. So img src is equal to, so here I will try to do product dot image, and here I can write class is equal to img hyphen fluid, and at the bottom we can show product description. If you want, we can also show div price, and I can keep it in the strong here. So dollar product price, right? Product dot price. That's it. Now here we can add at the bottom, if you want, class is equal to my-2. So here I will be adding button, class is equal to btn hyphen primary, add to cart. I will try to add it. Let's try to see the output, whether we are able to see this or not. If I try to refresh this page, now we are getting product dot title. Okay, the spelling mistake. So here it should not be capital, it should be small. Hope everything will be working fine. Yeah, we are able to see the product. If you want, you can also make it as a text center. Everything, let's try to make it as a text center. If you see the output here, somewhat it's looking fine. So this is our sample product and this is the image of the product, and here you'll be able to see price and all those things, and add to cart. Now this is how we can show this one. Sample product 2 means we are able to see the sample product details, and home means if I try to click view details, we are able to see the product details. This is how we can show the product details page. In this video, what we have seen, so how we can dynamically get the product ID in the routes. So here we have seen, so column product ID, we got the details and we have sent it to the product ID. How we can catch it is through the request.params. In the params you will getting all the data. So like this we will be catching this all thing data, and we are getting the product details by the list of all the products, and we are sending it to the product details, and also we have designed the product details page. We are showing the product details. In the next section, what we'll try to do is we'll try to design this add to cart, and we'll try to push all the details to the add to cart. Hope you understood about this product detail page. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.